Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have something so extremely exciting, probably the most exciting thing that I've ever reviewed on my channel ever before. I bought the Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery box. I got the premium one, which was the cheapest one. It was $60. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I peeked at it. I'm sorry. I couldn't help myself. It came yesterday and I couldn't film this video until today. And I was just so extremely excited. I had to peek at it. I'm so sorry. This is what the box looks like. It is so cute. It's the Valentine's Day one, so you know, there's little hearts and it's great and I'm so excited. This is what you open the box to. You've got some, you know, stuff in here. Then we have a beanie is the first thing, or as my mom calls it, a sock hat. You have this beanie. I haven't opened the beanie though, and it just says Jeffree Star and these cute little candy hearts. I don't really wear beanies, but like, I'm gonna make it work because this is so cute. So this is what it looks like. I am so super excited about this. It feels like very good quality. Like, should I put it on? Like, I don't really know how to wear a beanie, so like, oh wow, I feel like a hipster. I don't know, is that how you wear beanies? I don't know, we're just gonna let it be for a little bit. Next, we have a Jeffree Star pop socket, which is so stinking cool. I already have a pop socket on my phone, so I'm going to have to get like a new case to put this on. But I think Velvet Caviar has some cute cases that I could find to put this on, so like, that could be really exciting. We have a gloss, which I have not tried any of Jeffree's glosses. I don't have a lot of Jeffree Star makeup. I only have a few lipsticks, like the velour liquid lipsticks. I do not have any of the glosses. And this one is in the shade Succulent. So I'm really excited to try this. I haven't opened it. I don't know what it looks like. It's really big. Like, the packaging is huge on this. Oh no, it looks like it's got sparkles in it. Oh no, I don't do sparkles. Oh no. Oh, wow. Wow, that is something. So that is the gloss. Wow. Wow. This is, whoa. It smells really good. It smells like something sweet. Oh no. This is what the gloss looks like. It's like a clear pink, but it has like a purpley blue iridescent like flip to it. I don't know what I think about that. Like, the packaging is beautiful, but I don't really wear colors like this. I might have to like put on a lipstick underneath it. I was just gonna try and wear it by itself, but I didn't quite know what the color was, so we'll try it. But I'm definitely gonna put a lipstick underneath it and we're gonna like see how that goes. So I think that this is what Jeffree was saying everyone was going to be shook by, which, if you can see, it has little aliens on this. And I think that this is exactly what he said was going to shake everybody. So this is the Jeffree Star Alien palette, which I did not know until I looked it up was a limited edition thing. So limited edition, but he brought it back just for the Valentine's Day mystery boxes, which is so cool. I'm so very excited. This packaging is insane, first of all. Like, this is all very like soft, and the eyes like actually like bulge out, and that's insane. This is what the back looks like. This packaging is very impractical. Like, it's very impractical. I've never tried Jeffree's eyeshadows. I'm excited to try his eyeshadows, but I have never tried them before. So like, I don't know what to expect here. I also don't really know what I'm going to do here with this. It could be interesting. I'm going to try and do an eye look with this eyeshadow palette, and we will see how that goes. I am gonna take the beanie off because I feel like a weirdo. Alright, so my brows are done, and I've zoomed you in, as you can see. Now, to go into the palette, there are some shades I'd like to swatch. so I can see how they work, because I've never used Jeffree Star's eyeshadows, so I'm a little bit nervous because, you know, I've heard they're very pigmented and such. Can I bend this? Is that okay? I don't know. I'm bending it. I'm sorry. I know there's like a lot of like greens and stuff happening in this palette because it's the Alien palette, but I really just want to do like a natural eye look. I like wasn't feeling like doing anything extravagant today. So I'm going to swatch like Phone Home. Oh my gosh. That is like incredible. Wow. I'm going to swatch Interstellar because I was thinking about using Interstellar. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. Wow. Oh, I'm not gonna be like using a green, but I'm so curious. Oh my gosh, that is incredible. I also want to check out Flying Saucer. That's that like matte dark green. We're getting into my arm here, so sorry about that. Wow! Oh god, I almost dropped the palette. Colors are amazing. Like, I've heard amazing things about Jeffree Star's eyeshadows. You know, obviously I, didn't know about them because I hadn't tried them. I also want to try Space Cowboy because it looks like such an interesting, like, brown, but with, like, almost, like, red looking reflex in it. Like, I don't know, that's very interesting color. Bad swatch. Interesting color. So, first going in with Titan, which is just, like, a nudie neutral color. And I'm just gonna put that all over my lid. You can actually see some like pigment on that, which is pretty cool because it's a really light color. Next, I'm going to take Phone Home, which looked so beautiful in the swatch. Oh my gosh, look at that color. That is stunning. Oh my gosh, I love it. There is a lot of kick up I'm noticing with these eyeshadows. The Alien palette is definitely not like something I would have bought myself. It's just not. Like, it's not something I would have preferred to buy it for myself. This is not. If there were any Jeffree Star palettes I have considered buying for myself, it's the Jawbreaker palette or the one he did with Morphe. I would definitely like to get my hands on the one he did with Morphe, and I would like to get my hands on the Jawbreaker palette. I'm thinking at like tax time, I might splurge on myself just a little bit and get a couple like expensive high-end things that I've really been wanting. I think I'm gonna take X-Files. We're just gonna try it out on like the outer corner just to deepen them up a little bit. Oh yeah, that should work beautifully. I'm thinking if anyone is interested about doing a bit of like a high-end sort of haul like come tax time. I mean, I'm not trying to spend like my entire tax check on makeup. Like most of it is gonna go back into my savings, but I would sort of like to just buy a couple things that I've really been wanting, like the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, the Hourglass Vanish Stick, that foundation. Like, I've been wanting that foundation since I started doing makeup, but it's like so expensive, and I just can't like get myself to get it. Not makeup related, but I'm also really wanting to get like an Alexa speaker, and those aren't like super expensive, but I just like haven't felt like spending the money yet. So I think that, again, like when I get my tax check, or maybe even a little bit before that, I don't know. So far, I really like these eyeshadows. I think they're beautiful, and they're blending amazingly. And like, I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing. I'm pretty much just making a very like neutral smoky eye. And I'm mixing like a mauve and a peach to make a like muted pink sort of color. Alright, so now taking Interstellar. I'm gonna take that on my finger. I'm gonna put that all over my lid because I think that would be beautiful. These shimmers in this palette are just like so buttery. I'm quite amazed. I mean, I've heard people talk about how Jeffree Star's palettes are amazing, and obviously I didn't know because I had never gotten them. Now I think I'm going to take a little bit of Pluto. I know I didn't swatch this one, but it looks like a really pretty white with like a gold color in it. I'm just gonna put that over Interstellar to kind of lighten it a little bit so it goes with the eye look a little bit better. Because I feel like that gold was just like too dark. I mean, it's so pretty, but to go with this eye look that I'm doing, I feel like it needs to be a little bit lighter. So now, taking a slightly like smaller brush, I'm gonna go back with Phone Home, okay. I know just doing a neutral look probably wasn't like the best idea, but that's all I really wanted to do was a neutral look today. I really wasn't feeling like using some neon greens, but you guys will be seeing tutorials with this palette in the future. Now that I have it, you guys will definitely be seeing tutorials with it. So I'm going to go do this on the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and finished like the rest of my face makeup for the most part anyway. We're going to finish up the eyes. I'm going to take Phone Home on like a flat shadow brush. And I'm just gonna run that under my eye and kind of like wing it out with the rest of the shadow up here. Then I actually think I'm going to take X-Files and I'm gonna mix that with Black Hole. And I'm going to put that as close to my bottom lash line as possible. So, final thoughts on this palette. I genuinely really like it and I'm very excited. I think here, you know, coming soon, maybe in March, be perfect for March, to do like a really pretty like green eye look with this palette, you know, and use like abduction, UFO, alien, flying saucer, even moon rock. Like, what shade is this? Like, beautiful. Oh yeah, totally. And I would love to use those shades and do like a green eye look. I wasn't really sure how I felt when I saw that this was the palette, you know, in the box. But honestly, I think this is great. I think it's great that it's discontinued and now people that bought the boxes have like a chance to use it, and I think it's very exciting. It's definitely a very different eyeshadow palette. It's different from anything else that I have. And yeah, no, I'm definitely looking forward to using this more. I'm going to go finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be back to test the gloss. Okay, I've finished my eyes and I'm getting ready to put on the lip gloss. So I thought in honor of this video, I would use Jeffree Star's Velour Liquid Lipstick in Mannequin, which is the very first Jeffree Star product and lipstick and everything that I ever got before. And by first, I mean this is the actual first one that I got like 3 years ago. So this is probably expired, but that's fine. This is like one of the first actual like lipsticks I ever got too, so. I'm a little bit nervous about the lip gloss. So the packaging on this is incredible. I mean, it's so like big and bulky and beautiful. I mean, it's gorgeous, but like this just really isn't my thing. There are things that I buy just for the packaging, but like I just don't know. I'm really nervous about like the reflex in this because it just is not my thing. I don't really like things that reflect a pink, purple, or blue. I don't wear things that have that in them because I don't like it. From afar, I definitely don't hate this. I just wish it was either just a pink or just a clear or just like a nude and didn't have any kind of like shimmers in it. Though it does have like the glitters and stuff in it, it does feel very nice and comfortable on my lips. There's not a lot of grit. It's not sticky. If you put the little bit that I put on it, it's actually not near that obvious that it has all those like blue and like pink. Like that's honestly just not that noticeable. So you know what? I think I can get on with this. Like I think I can get on with this okay. Which is good because I kind of have to, you know. Overall, this is what we're working with. The eyes and the lips. This is pretty much what I paid $60 for. It was pretty much the makeup from it, but I will say, I will get use out of the little beanie and I will get use out of the pop socket. I just, don't have a phone case to put it on right now. I was on Jeffree Star's website at 12:59, a minute before these launched. I hit refresh, I put the premium box in my basket, and then I waited for a half an hour at checkout for the website to load so that I could buy it. So am I glad that I did end up getting it? Yes, I'm very glad. I am very happy with this palette. I really thought that I was not gonna like this palette at all, like really thought so, because like this like color scheme is just not a bit of me, like at all. I mean, I like the greens, yes, but like all these like dark colors at the bottom are just not a bit of me at all. I definitely feel like if you are a huge fan of Jeffree Star's products, I definitely think you would love to get a mystery box. Like, I might purchase one in the future if I feel like I've got like the money for it at the moment. Then I definitely could see myself buying another mystery box, because it's just kind of fun, you know, it's just a bit of fun. And I got some really cool makeup, and I'm gonna love messing around with this, and I'm really excited to do like a red lip kind of look with this tomorrow. I'm very excited for that. So, you know, yeah, I would buy it again. The more I look at this gloss, the more like those shimmery like reflex fade, and the more it just feels super comfortable on my lips. I'm glad I ordered it. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. I think I might end up posting this on Valentine's Day instead of the original video I was gonna post on Valentine's Day. So thank you guys for watching, and let me know down below if you guys got one of the mystery boxes. I would love to find out if you guys got it. If you liked what you got, did you get the most expensive one? Did you get the less expensive one? I just wanna know. Let's just chat. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you like Jeffree Star, and you know, recommend me some Jeffree Star products, because I would like to try some more Jeffree Star products. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. Most of my viewers still aren't subscribed, so it would really mean a lot to me if you guys would subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I post new videos, which is every Saturday. And I will see you guys next Saturday, except I think this video is coming out on Friday. Who knows? I don't know anymore. Bye!